If you're looking to give your Instagram feed a fresh look, here's how you can reset it right from your any iPhone. For that, first you have to open up your Instagram app and head over to your profile. Next, hit the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see the content preference option. Just go ahead and select that. Now from this page, you can see both interested and not interested option. You can manage the content you like, remove what you are not into, and customize your feed based on your preference. Now at the bottom of that page, you will find an option called Reset Suggested Content. Tap into it. You will find a new fresh start page. Just go for it. Confirm the prompt that pops up. That's it. Your feed is now refreshed and ready to show you content that matches your current interests. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.